He's been just before you start. He's been bribing me with bacon sandwiches.
Bacon,
but
bacon and egg. Bacon and egg.
Who can resist that? Eh?
You know what I mean, 150 each. Yeah. So today we've got an unboxing. I don't normally do unboxings. Don't like unboxings. But
I ain't gonna get yourself
this
out
is
of the box.
important. Yeah, this is important because it's the Chinese diesel heater. Now, I don't know if any of you watched Mel's World. Recently Mel unboxed his, loads of stuff missing, and that's really common. First of all, they take ages to come normally. This has only taken 5 days, and there's loads of stuff missing. So that's what we're going to see. What's missing? It's a what's missing video.
It's just probably an empty box.
Yeah, but all the stuff is available separately online anyway. But, let's get into it. Get this puppy opened up.
It's like Christmas, isn't it?
I know. That's me, not being bothered to go and get me Stanley knife.
Yeah.
Oh,
look at that. It's got pictures on it.
Oh, it says Sexy Susie, please plug into this tube. Oh.
I think that's that other box in the corner there.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind my own from China. You take that one, sharp implement.
Cool.
Oh,
look at that.
eh? Actually, this is unusual as well. This is really unusual because normally they're in a plain white box. And this is actually in a proper heater box. Happy days.
There you go, I've done my bit.
Yeah, this is in a proper heater box.
Yeah.
Fuel air heater, high efficiency and energy saving, make winter no longer cold. I wonder if I told the Eskimos about that one. Right, come on, what's missing? What do you reckon's missing, Monch?
The instructions.
Yeah, it doesn't matter though. You can't bloody read them anyway.
Yeah.
It's what Mel did, he just threw them away. He read the instructions, throw them away.
Oh, no instructions are there. We've got the manual and it's in English.
Blimey. What's going on here?
Ooh, looking good.
Right. This is an instruction manual, normally, and it's in English.
I don't believe
translated.
this.
Yeah, look. Installed in. Places, look, one word, look. Installed in.
Oh yeah.
Places that.
That's alright, it's all good.
It's in English though. Normally they just get a piece of paper.
A bag of nuts and bolts and some sort of valve in there.
Yeah. Right, proper booklet rather than bits of paper. So we'll have a look at that later.
They couldn't be bothered to put these bits in the bag for you though.
Right, straight away.
We've got a bag missing.
I can see the.
What's happening?
Yeah, that's for the to go through. Yeah. Right, so this is the first thing we see. It's the fuel tank, and that is where you have to drill your own hole. Well, I might get it anyway.
It's all bracket there.
That's important. This is really important. This is your bracket. Shows you where all your holes go, and for your air inlet and your fuel outlet and your fuel pipe. That's really important. Without that, you're stuffed. This silencer is also one of the things that's normally missing. So far it's looking promising. That's normally missing.
Who's that? My motorbike.
Yeah. Jubilee clips, a few nuts and bolts, and the valve for the fuel tank. So yeah, that's normally missing. So that's a good sign. We're off to a good start. This is the bits and bobs one. Got that? Get out. That's it. That's me kniffy. Every Chinese.
Tips. Number 1, the fuel pipe should be 1.5 metres to 2 metres. 2, the voltage would be better if 11.5 volts to 12.8 volts.
Right, this is
Looking in there.
looking a little bit iffy.
What is that?
There's the fuel exhaust pipe.
That bendy, is it?
Yeah. few exhaust pipe, fuel pipe connector,
Fuel pump.
air, yeah, no, fuel filter, an air filter, and loads of clamps and bits and pieces. Yeah, fuel filter, air filter, and some rubber pipe which goes on the end of the fuel pipe, and then the rubber pipe joins to the connector on the tank. And more Jubilee clips for the vent.
Looks like a fucking Krypton factor job putting this lot together.
Some sort of attachments. Yeah, like little top hats.
Or
Oh, that goes on front there, is it?
Madonna bras.
Oh yeah, because I've got two of these. That's right. I've got two vents. So wiring loom. Yeah, it's looking extremely iffy. Wiring loom.
What's looking iffy?
The controller.
Not
That's
that.
what was missing in Mel's as well. Although we've got these different companies.
Might be in the other box.
Yeah. So this is the wiring loom. Which I watched Mel's video, and he was showing you this how this connector works here. This connector, you have to push that wire down.
Oh yeah, one of them spring loaded ones. Yeah.
So there's that. There's a branch, and there's two hoses.
two Cybermen arms.
Right. No controller. So we come to this bad boy. We'll try and
Turn that over. You've got a little table there. There you go. Sure ain't fishing there. That's how you get your fishing net fish, isn't it?
it is actually, yeah.
Love it, fish, eh?
Oh, here we go.
That's it. Told you. Have faith. Have faith.
Ah, yeah, here we go. So that is effectively all there. We got the fuel pump, and they're really cheap. They're about a tenner, and it's always good to buy another one anyway. And I've been told that these plastic connectors on the fuel pump are really brittle, so be very careful when you pushing the plug into it. But that's the fuel pump, and
That's your controller.
there's the controller. Some of them just got the buttons.
Shame
you
it's
know?
not wireless, isn't it? So you can stick it where you
Yeah, I
want.
think you could probably plug that into a wireless receiver.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are about 14 quid to buy on their own. But they do everything. They control the speed, the temperature, and they have a readout on there. It shows you as well the cycles that it goes through. It goes through certain cycles as it's priming or warming up or whatever.
This
And
is the bad boy
is the
itself.
bad boy itself. Bloody
I thought
heavy.
it'd be bigger than that.
Yeah, it's heavy. Right, so this is the metal one. Most of them are plastic. I'm going to move that off for them one. Most of them are plastic, but this one is metal. So there's your. This is what seems to be a bit odd.
So is that where that metal template goes over?
Yeah, that's down there. So there's your metal template,
That goes on there.
and it goes like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that one there is your fuel intake, and it is right next to the exhaust outlet.
That's fucking clever bit of
I know.
design, isn't it?
That's what I'm, according to some of the other YouTubers, 'cause I've never had one of these before, but that's what they reckon. So I shall check it out.
So what's that one then?
That's the air inlet.
I
Fresh
thought
air
they'd
inlet.
put it that side, wouldn't
I
they?
know, yeah. So it's a case of just making sure. I'll probably get some heat shield put between that. So yeah, that's the bad boy. It's metal. It's a proper bit of kit. A right solid bit of kit. Right, what we have to make sure with these is the fan. So if you want to take it apart, this front bit should undo. which is a fan outlet, but it doesn't. It should just twist round.
Going as you eat, big silver.
No, I can't get that off. It should just twist round and come off, but you know, you don't need it to come off, it's only if you're servicing it. But it actually feels like a real solid. I mean, the connectors are not. You'd have to be really careful with the connectors because they do seem like cheaper plastic.
This is 1 to 3 kilowatts.
Yeah. So you can have it on 1 kilowatt up to 3. Most people are not going to want 3 kilowatts. It's a right solid bit of kit though. It's like proper metal, you know. I just need to work out.
I thought it was going to be a massive great thing, but it's not, is it?
No. I just need to work out.
What's that on the side there? Something to plug in there, does it?
No, just a service hole thing. Yeah, what you normally do with these ones is you take this off. It's normally either a bayonet on there or it just unscrews, and then this top cover comes off. The plastic ones, I think they just push on. The only reason I wanted to take it off is I wanted to check the fan, because one of the problems that people have been having is they're saying the fan is rubbing on the casing. I just wanted to spin the fan. But,
so in here, right?
Here's the heat exchanger. That is a proper bit of kit, and it's come in a proper box with all English on it and all that. Now, you can buy these heaters, not this particular one, but you can buy the plastic ones for about 120 quid. This was 145, I think it was. I'll stick a link in the description for where the exact place where I bought this on eBay, the exact seller. They've delivered absolutely everything. Everything is here. It looks quality. It's real quality stuff. It's a 3 kilowatt, and it came within 5 days. So happy days. What more do you want? But I will do what people have suggested. I'll get a different air filter, probably definitely a different fuel filter down the car shop for £5. Yeah.
Well, you've got something to read tonight, Monge.
So
quite involved.
So far, it's all good.
Happy days.
If you just want to go and fit it for me. That's another thing, I ain't got a clue how to fit it.
That's what I'm saying, there's all the instructions there. That looks like a heavy duty read.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Mel to fit his first, and then I can watch what he does, because he's done 3 or 4 of them before. Because the way that he does it, I mean, some people as well have mounted them like he does. He mounts it away from the floor, so that he can reach the inlet and outlet Jubilee clips. So if ever he needs to change this or take it out for servicing, rather than have to disconnect all the pipe work underneath, he just has to reach in with a screwdriver, undo the Jubilee clips on there, and take this whole unit out.
So what's he make, some sort of bracket so it's raised up at the ground? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better idea.
Only a few inches. So it's easy to take in and out.
Thing is, it can be mounted anywhere, literally, can't it?
Yeah. But this is important. This is really important.
Is that your mounting plate? Is it?
Yeah, it's your mounting plate, and also it's your template for where you know, drilling your holes. But yeah, I'll probably do a similar thing to Mel. I'll put I'll raise it up a little tiny bit, but I can't have it mounted like his, where it goes, it sucks air in, circulates air in from the front, because I haven't got a partition at the front. So that's it, that's the unboxing video. The next video will be all fitted, me laying in the bank in Bermuda shorts. Nah, we'll put you through that. Thanks for watching. Say ta-da.
Ta-da, everyone.